Sorry, I got a little excited there. Car comes into the shop and a crank no start. One of the first things we could do is grab a vacuum gauge, throw that sucker on there and crank it. You got 3 to 5 inches of vacuum. That means you got a good mechanical integrity. If you don't have 3 to 5 inches of vacuum, what do you need? Your engine's gone, right? If you got no vacuum, then that means you just confirm the mechanical problem, either timing belt, timing chain, or valve issue, right? Real simple, okay? Now, here's another one. Car comes in with a crank, no start. After the initial fuel pump prime, crank the car, right? Did the fuel pump run? If the answer is no, go to the next step. While you're cranking, did you have spark? If your answer is no, what are you looking for? A crank sensor, right? And here's why. Here's my crank sensor, and look how my crank sensor lines up with who? The injector on time. So if I don't have an actual crank sensor signal, the PCM is not going to command the fuel pump relay to turn on.